Alrighty guys, welcome back. This video is going to be a tool haul video. Anywhere from JD Tico to Amazon, Snap-on, Lowe's, Home Depot, all those good stores, eBay also. But I'm going to show you what I got. So just give me a minute to get the camera reset up. And forget that. I'll just leave the camera right there. I'll just pick the tools up and show them. But I'm pretty happy with the tools I got, including this new hat. Got two of those hats, one for me and one for the wife. The other day I found a Snap-on truck. I had to get a couple wrenches warranted. Got a new ratchet while I was at it. So let me get that ratchet out wherever I put it. Where did I put? Oh, here it is. It is the Snap-on blue handle, dark blue handle, FHLD 80 USA. It is a 3/8 ratchet. Really good find. I traded him a Blue Point flip socket set for strip lug nuts. He gave me $100 credit on that, and this ratchet was $167. So I was only out of pocket like 70 bucks. So you can't beat that deal. Not for this ratchet. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. At the same time, if you buy $100 worth of stuff off of his truck, he was giving away Snap-on shirts. They're long sleeve. I can't wear it yet because, well, it's a little too hot for all of that. But it's a nice shirt nonetheless. Second items I got. I had to warranty my Snap-on Flank Drive Plus wrenches, 22 millimeter and a 20 millimeter. So he warranted those with no problems. I almost have the complete basic set of these. I'm just waiting on one more to come in. It'll be here probably sometime next week. And when I get home next time, I'll show it. I'll show the complete set in the foam that I'm going to put it in. But if y'all want just a preview of it, of what I've got, there's the wrenches right there. That's all Snap-on Flank Drive Plus wrenches. That's the stuff I got off of eBay, and I bought some other ones from my family, one of my family members. All together, the money I've got tied into that is probably around $400. So don't be afraid to look on eBay and stuff like that for good cheap deals on wrenches. I mean, none of these wrenches came damaged or anything like that. They all pretty much came good to rock and roll with. I bought a 1-inch Snap-on wrench, the Flank Drive Plus wrench. This one was like 50 bucks for a 1-inch Flank Drive Plus. If you do your due diligence and you're not afraid to do a little bit of research and looking around, you can find good deals on tools. And that's what I did. I found some really good deals on tools. So the next item I got to show, this came from Harbor Freight. It is a 3/8 drive 48 tooth ratchet, heavy duty chrome vanadium construction, ergo rubber grip. It's got a lifetime warranty on it. It's got 360 swivel. You just press this little button down right here and it swivels around. think I gave regular price was $20. I had a $5 off coupon on it, so I paid 15 bucks for this ratchet. Wasn't a bad deal at all. It is the Pittsburgh Pro. It is the indexing ratchet. It's not a bad little ratchet at all. So, I mean, go check them out. They're worth the weight in gold for it. I'll be in the future. I'll be getting the 1/4 and 1/2 inch in the same type of ratchet. Next ratchet I got. This was a warranty from Craftsman itself. The 3/8 ratchet, 72 tooth mini head. This ratchet is, part number is 99442. It does have a lifetime warranty. If you ever have a warranty issue with the Craftsman's, you can call the Craftsman warranty hotline itself. It's a lot easier if you don't need a new ratchet right then and there. If you can avoid Lowe's and Ace and stuff like that, you can do it. Just call the 1-800 number. I will try to drop the 1-800 number into the description below for you, so you can get your stuff warranted a lot faster than going into a store if you don't need it right away. Now, next item I got off of Amazon. It is the 1/4 inch Gearwrench 12-inch slim head ratchet. I've seen another YouTuber with this particular ratchet, and I liked it, so I got it because I wanted to try it out. And so far, it's worth its weight in gold. It is reversible. It does have a locking flex head on it. It does go all around. You can lock the head down on both sides. Both sides of the ratchet, they have it, so whatever you're using it for. I believe. But, I mean, you can't really beat it. It is a nice little ratchet. It is Gearwrench. My chain right there would stop doing that. It calls the truck right up through the, I don't know. But I do believe this particular ratchet right here is made in the USA. Part number on this is 81030. It is Gearwrench. It is not comfort grip. It is the chrome handle. Otherwise, it's a good little ratchet. This next item I also got off of eBay. The Gearwrench hose pinch off pliers. These are made in the USA. They do have a lifetime warranty on them. Nope, I'm sorry, they're not made in the USA. This right here is made in Taiwan. Can't beat them. I've seen other people use it, and I was highly impressed with it, so I went ahead and got them. They are a very sturdy pair of pliers for pinching off brake lines, coolant lines, oil lines, or whatever you need, whatever kind of line you need to pinch off. Very easily used. Not much force at all. Hit this little, press that little lever up right there, and it opens up the jaw for you. Next item. I was out at Tractor Supply and looking in their clearance bins, and they had a 6-piece crescent combination wrench set. I know the sticker price says $5.49 on it, but I wound up, when I looked at the receipt after I left the store, only paid $2.99 or $2.49 or $2.99 for this set. Can't beat it. Crescent is a good brand. It is made in India. Designed, engineered, and tested in the USA. Can't beat it. It is 12-point combination ratchet wrenches. It's alloy steel. Exceeds ANSI loads specs, and they are designed for helping prevent you from rounding off your bolts. So that was another good find that I had. Couldn't beat the price. I mean, it is the Crescent name. They do make good quality tools. This set right here will stay home. Next item I got from JD Co. This item did come in one of the mystery boxes. I have one set of them already. So these are cutters, just little wire cutters or flush cuts by Steelman. The 6-inch diagonal cutting pliers. They are double dipped handles, black and red. It is the 6-inch. Part number on that is 95206. It is made by Steelman. Check them out. Good little set of pliers. As you can see, pretty much the same thing. Next item that came in the mystery box from JD Co. Item RFL 500 is the 500 loom easy. I think this is the JD Co one. Yep, is the JD Co Easy Red flashlight. I have already taken the little black thing out of there. If you get one of these flashlights and you go to turn it on, doesn't work, unscrew that top, because it does have a little black piece of plastic in there to keep the battery from being used while it's in the package. Just take that little thing out and screw the top back on, and it'll work just fine for you. A lot of YouTubers have come across that, didn't think the light was working, and they unscrewed that, and guess what? Nice surprise for them. I got 2 sets of these. It is the Steelman 4-piece comfort grip screwdriver set. Part number on that is 42081. They do look really good, construction made. Comfort grip. 2 different sizes, both flathead and Phillips. Got the extra slot on there if you want to slide a screwdriver or something in there, or if you want to put them on a pegboard, you can. They're just going to go in one of my toolboxes and stay there until I'm ready to use them. I got 2 of the same sets. That also came in a mystery box. Now I went ahead and took the screwdrivers out because they're in my toolbox. But it is the JIS drive, Japanese steel drive, Japanese industrial steel drive, vessel armor grip. It is the 8-piece screwdriver set. There they are right there. It is a nice quality screwdriver. They are almost specially made for foreign cars. but you can pretty much use them on anything you want. Paid like 40 bucks for these. Wasn't a bad deal. It was an 8-piece. It came with 2 small ones too, which I don't know where I put them. So, oh, I know where I put them. It came with these little things, these little palm screwdrivers. Can't really beat it. Phillips and flat. Got some more items right here. Since I bought that snap-on box, I went ahead and put the extra tools that I had in my craftsman box right here. I'm not going to show you the craftsman box because you already know what that looks like. But I got the JDT Co. croc clamps. This I bought separately. It did not come in one of the boxes. This is for your hose clamps. They do open quite wide. You pitch the hose clamp and it keeps it without slipping. It does have, it is spring loaded. So just hit that little button right there and it opens them up for you. It is nice and smooth, no problems. I was out at the flea market yesterday and I found a Milwaukee 12-inch smooth jaw pliers. So dip grips on the handle. I couldn't really beat the price. I paid $20 for these pliers right here. Do have lifetime warranty on them through Milwaukee. Where is Milwaukee Tools made? Made in China. So that particular set of pliers right there is made in China. Can't say Milwaukee don't have their tools, all their tools made in the USA or Taiwan. They do have China-made tools. Next item I got was from Knipex. This is the second pair of pliers I've got from Knipex. I got one more pair of pliers in the semi. Part number on this is 8701250. The Cobra water pliers, pump pliers, the 10-inch. Paid $20 for these pliers off of Amazon. I couldn't beat the price. You walk into a store, you're probably going to be paying like 40 bucks for these things. They are the Cobra grip. They do have the red comfort grip handles. They are self-locking. They are, Knipex is made in Germany. Again, the part number is 8701250. There's the part number for you. If I can ever get that camera to, there you go. Good little set of pliers to have. Next item I got from another YouTuber. He was selling off a bunch of stuff. Couldn't beat the price. A set of Ulsa offset bolt biter wrenches. You can go on Ulsa and get these for like $50 or between $50 and $70 for them. Oops. I done made a mess. But they are a nice set. We'll be giving these things a test run on stripped out bolts and stuff like that. That's what they specialize for. So we'll see how well they hold up. And if they're worth their waiting, if they're worth anything. If not, I'll let you guys know. We'll see what they do. So far, I haven't seen anybody that didn't like these wrenches, double box end wrenches. Next item I got from the same guy is the Easy Red pliers, the pistol grip pliers or duck bill pliers, however you want to call them. Really nice set of pliers. If you want to know who I got these from, that was Midwest Tool Review. I'll drop his link in the description below. He's got a really awesome channel. You can find him on Instagram too. He's got some really good content on his channel. Go and check him out. But other than that, folks, I think that's all I got. Well, I bought a set of wire brushes from Harbor Freight for like $2 or $3. Couldn't beat the price. Never go wrong with these little things. But that is all for this one. This video is long enough. Like I said, do your research. Get out of the house. Go shopping. Go to the flea markets. Go to. You can find some really good deals at the flea markets, yard sales. You never know what you're going to find out there, folks. For really good cheap prices. Even some of the Snap-on stuff. You can get Snap-on Mac or any good tool truck brand quality tools from them. So, go check them out. Go have some fun. But that's all for this one. If y'all liked the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. It'll help the channel out immensely and keep you informed when I upload more videos. I usually do Tool Time Tuesdays on Tuesdays. That's pretty much, I've been trying to rock that out every week, once a week. There's a few of them on there on the channel already. Go check those videos out, along with all my other videos. But until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning and the Raging Cajun. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.